Hey guys, Elmer here. Today we're at a farm, and well, I want to meet a real cow or bull, and today I learned that cows have horns. Well, I'm a cow and I have horns, but lady cows have horns. I don't get it, but we're gonna try. The cows are up there, and they'll be coming down, and we're gonna try to meet a real cow. So stay tuned, and we will go from there. Thanks, guys. You know that guy over there is an idiot, right? Hey, it's Elmer again. We are gonna go over there and try to meet a cow. Maybe we're not. He's walking away like usual. But we're gonna go over and try. So, I'll see you in a minute.
Moo. 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 Moo.
My God, he's got big balls. All right, guys. Well, we tried to meet a cow. I talked in his own moo-moo language, and it didn't work. But I tried. I hope you guys liked this video. And that guy, yeah, he's still an idiot.
guys, Dances with Owls here. Hey, listen, if you're listening to my voice right now, that means you've come to the end of the video. I hope you really liked it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and hit that like button, and make a comment if you have anything to say. I will try to answer all comments that come to the channel. So thank you guys so much for your interest, and thank you. I hope I gave you a smile on your face, and we will see you in the next video.